In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Reels on Instagram using Meta Business Suite. To follow along, make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that's connected to your Instagram business profile. Once you're ready, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by searching for Meta Business Suite or going directly from your Facebook menu. This is the central hub where you manage both Facebook and Instagram content in one place. When Meta Business Suite opens, look for the Planner section in the left-hand sidebar. The Planner is where you can see your content calendar at a glance, including past and upcoming posts. Click on Planner to open the calendar view. On the calendar, you'll see different days laid out, usually in a weekly or monthly format. Find the day you want your Instagram Reel to be published. Hover over that date, and you should see an option to create or schedule content. Click on Schedule for that specific day. This tells Meta Business Suite that you want to plan content in advance rather than posting immediately. A small pop-up or side panel will appear with different content options. From there, choose Create Reel. This opens the Reels Composer, where you'll set everything up for your Instagram Reel. At the top of the Composer, there's usually a drop-down that controls where the content will be posted. It might default to Facebook or to both Facebook and Instagram. Click on that drop-down labeled something like Post To and select Instagram. This ensures that what you're creating will publish as a reel on your Instagram account, not just on Facebook. Next, you'll add your video. Click on Add Video, then browse your device for the reel you've already edited and saved. Choose the file and wait for it to upload fully. It helps to use a vertical video with the correct aspect ratio and length that fits Instagram Reels guidelines. Once the video is uploaded, click into the text field where you can write your caption. This is where you add your description, hashtags, and any calls to action. Keep it clear and engaging, and consider adding a few relevant hashtags to help with reach. When your video and caption are ready, click Next. You'll be taken through to the Edit and Share pages. Here, you can quickly review everything and confirm that the scheduled date matches the day you originally chose on the planner. When you're happy with the setup, finish the process, and your reel will be scheduled automatically